Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best Crayola Thick Markers 10 count, offered in a convenient 2-pack. These markers are a fantastic choice for anyone looking for bold, vibrant colors with the trusted quality of Crayola. The product comes as 2 sets of 10 broad line markers, giving you a total of 20 assorted colors to work with. Perfectly suited for kids, adults, and especially favored by teachers. These markers are designed to deliver smooth, consistent color coverage whether you're coloring, drawing, or crafting. One of the standout features of these markers is their broad tip, which allows for easy, bold strokes, making them ideal for creating bright artwork or coloring large areas quickly. The ink flows evenly and dries fast, reducing smudges and making your creative process more enjoyable. Crayola is a well-known brand synonymous with safe, non-toxic art supplies, and these markers are no exception. They are designed with kids in mind, meeting safety standards and being suitable for children aged 4 and above, but their quality makes them appealing for artists and hobbyists of all ages. The markers have a comfortable grip and a durable design, ensuring they hold up well during heavy use. The ink is vibrant and bright, allowing your artwork to really pop with color. Because you get 2 packs, this makes it great for classrooms, group activities, or simply having extra markers on hand. In terms of size and weight, each box is compact and lightweight, making them easy to store or carry around in a backpack or art kit. This portability is great for those who like to take their art supplies on the go. These markers are also competitively priced, offering excellent value given the quantity and the quality Crayola is known for. Whether you're stocking up for school, crafting at home, or looking for a reliable set of markers for coloring books and projects, this set has you covered. Overall, the Crayola Assorted Broad Line Markers 10 count 2-pack stands out as a vibrant, dependable, and affordable choice in the thick marker category. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.